special buy of the day. So actually, we got some newer stuff, which is quite different because usually we get the same stuff, and they just added some new stuff. Dewalt, Milwaukee. We got the special buy of the day. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube is the platform. My subscribers and likes. So good morning to everyone starting your workday on your way to work. All right, so you got so these are pretty much the same. The M12 deals, and plus you get a free tool or another tool, 209, and then you got the Gen 4s, 379, same thing with 3 batteries, hard case. You got the Gen 3s, or I don't know, yeah, these are the Gen 3s for 209. You got 3 different batteries. You got 2 smaller ones and a bigger battery. And then you got a 6-tool combo kit for $479. Those are brush tools. These are the same deals that you used to get with the hack, but they are $10 cheaper. So you get them for $189 instead of $200. The 2 6-amp-hour battery starter kit with the cutout tool and the oscillating tool, $189. Same thing with the stapler. You get them $10 off instead of that $139 or $129. You get them for $119. Same thing with the blower. Same thing with this. All right. So you got the 1 1/8 SDS Plus rotary hammer with the 4.5-inch angle grinder, fuel, $379. That's actually not a bad deal. What's up with this? You getting those 3 batteries there for $149. There's another deal actually if you guys want to look at it closely or look for it. There's another. I'll see if I can link it down below too. There's another deal, and I did see this at Deal Team 6 Facebook group. You get the same batteries, but plus you get the 4-mode impact wrench, the 1/2-inch 4-mode impact wrench, the Ryobi, for $50 more, so just under $200. So that is a pretty good deal. I don't know if it's still valid as of now or not. You got the 2 4-amp-hour batteries for $79. Let's see what else. All right, so you got some Dewalts. Finally, we got some nicer, better looking Dewalt deals here. All right, so you got the new. That's the new impact driver, the smaller impact driver. A drill for $299 and a stack battery. The drill by itself, and it looks like a compact 4-amp-hour battery. Looks like it. $219. And then we got the impact driver with the older impact driver made in the USA with the drill for $159. Those are pretty good deals, guys. Pretty solid deals. They're all solid tools, so definitely check them out. You got the made in USA impact driver, $159 with an extra battery. You got a drill with the starter kit for $149. It is a hammer drill. All right, so this is where it becomes really good deals. Interesting. You got 15-amp corded 12-inch double bevel sliding miter saw. And you get a rolling stand, guys. You do get a rolling stand, and it is the dual bevel miter saw. So it is the slider. So you're getting all the bells and whistles without. I believe it's not top of the line. It should be like the next one down. So it's $449 for that one. And then this looks like the same miter saw. It says 12-inch, 15-amp corded double bevel sliding miter saw with the blade wrench material. Plus, you do get the stand. It's not the non-wheeled stand. So just depending on what you want, $429, you can save yourself a little bit more on that one. You got the planer, the corded 12-inch at 12.5 planer, $579. It's a pretty good deal. You can get the stand there on down from $705. You got the 2 rigid for $99. These are all sold out. This is a pretty good deal for the angle grinder. This is a brushless fuel angle grinder. It's a 4.5 5-inch, $159 with a free battery with the 5 basically. You got the die grinder, a straight die grinder with the 2-amp-hour for $159. You got the ratchets, like same thing as before. We're saying $10 less than that hack. This is a really good. Well, this is actually one of the newer dual port chargers or dual bay rapid chargers that they call it. And these are 359. You get two fives plus you're getting a jigsaw. I would say that's a pretty decent deal. Definitely get that one if you want the new charger or the jigsaw. You got the same thing with this one. Save yourself $10 from that $200 uh, price for that deal. You got the high torque impact wrench. Guys, remember, the high torque impact wrench is only affected if you're buying it by itself. If you're buying it in a kit, it shouldn't be affected. And even if you buy it as a kit and you look at it and it's a H96B as the serial number starts, if you look at it and you guys see that number, make sure you guys can return that. But if not, if you buy it in a kit, most likely it's gonna be an A. The only B's are the ones by themselves, like the two only. So something like this, pretty solid. Should be the A. 100% should be the A. So this is 409 with three batteries, a case, and a charger. You got the mid torque here for the 3/8 mid torque for 399. We did see a deal not too long ago for 150, I believe. Yeah, it's already sold out. It sold out. I didn't even get a chance to post it for you guys. You got the, what is that? The oscillating tool for $69. You got the bandsaw with the hammer drill. This is the brand new Gen 4 hammer drill, according to what the picture says. So it's $269. That's a really good deal. It is the field bandsaw. Got the half-an-inch atomic half-an-inch impact wrench kit with hog rings. $269. You get two batteries. Not a bad deal, but it's still okay. All right, you got some Wen tools. It seems like they do have a 20-volt platform. So this is $89 for the planer with the kit. This 13-inch 15 amp 3-blade benchtop thickness planer, $349. You got a benchtop joiner, $229. You got an angle grinder for $7. Remember, guys, these tools are for lighter duty only. If you're gonna beat the heck out of these angle grinders, might as well just go Dewalt, go Milwaukee Fuel. You can't go wrong with that. If you get a cut here and there, you got grind some metal here and there, it should be fine. Most of these angle grinders or tools from when they're not designed to beat them up pretty much all day, every day. You got a palm sander, $44. You got a bandsaw, $159 with the kit, with the 5 amp hour kit. All right, you got a Dremel kit there for $80. You got a drywall screw gun, $149. That's actually a pretty good deal. This deal we've seen this in the past. Most likely it'll be in the Christmas holiday deals. You got a jigsaw here, a corded jigsaw, $119. You got a ceramic rapid dual temperature heat gun, $26. You got a miter saw. The stand's 10-inch, 15 amp miter saw. It's already sold out. Sold out. Heat gun's already sold out. Got the ratchet half-an-inch drive. Socket set, 20 piece, $129. Those are kind of pricey, but those sockets are really nice. Those sockets definitely are really nice. The square, they do have different shape. So if you haven't seen one in person, would definitely recommend. Heavy duty alloy steel and screwdriver bits at 145 piece. I would definitely stay away from that. I mean, it's okay for $44. Not bad. You got the whole dozer, 20 piece, $129. Little pricey, but then again, it might include the bigger sizes. Those are the most expensive. You got the Shockwave for $44. The pack out with the Shockwave stuff inside. Nothing that catches my attention here. You got $26 with the wrecker. You got two different wrecker blades, and the rest are you get the OK blades, I guess. You got the some metal ones here on the right for $26. You got the sockets. The sockets are not bad. So you got the metric and the SAE, $49. You got the shallow 6-point floor flat sides, 20 piece, $49. You got the ratcheting combination wrenches, 7 piece, $129. You got the smooth blade folding knife, $64. Let's see what else we got. We got a fish tape, 89. Oval bag, 69 bucks. Tool apron. Nothing that catches my attention. These are mostly tools dedicated for, for a certain profession. Also, the blade sets. Got the 3-inch cutoff wheel set, 1997. Got some ratcheting stubby wrenches, 52 bucks. Dewalt's. Now this is a really good deal, guys. Make sure you guys get it before it sells out. This will sell out. We've seen this before. We got the Tough System 2.0 deep tray for 13.97, jump from 20.57. That is actually a good deal. I seen that way higher. It says limit 5 per order. So if you're in the platform, make sure you guys order your tray. You got a stud finder, 16 bucks. You got to have a 1/4-inch, 3/8 black chrome laser edged SA metric mechanics tools, 99 piece, 97.97. You got a multi-bit screwdrivers, sold out. That's it, guys. Make sure you guys have a good rest of the week. You guys have a good morning, good work day. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.